Okay, so let's talk about the recovery following an endoscopic brow lift. So you're gonna have a small drain in place, which I will remove in 1 to 3 days. That's not a big deal. You can check out my video about drain care to learn more about that. As far as the incision care, there'll be 5 little incisions behind your hair. There's not much to do. Those incisions are closed with deep dissolving sutures and staples on top. I use staples on the scalp because it is better for your hair follicles than suture, and I don't want to create alopecia in the area of your incisions, so that is why staples are used on the top layer. We will take those staples out around 7 to 10 days. Aside from that, there's not much else you need to do following an endoscopic brow lift. You're going to have some bruising and swelling. The bruising will tend to go down, work its way all the way down. Sometimes it makes it all the way to people's necks. Eventually that will fade away. The other thing to remember is with an endoscopic brow lift, no extra skin was removed. So you still have too much forehead and scalp skin. It was just lifted up, pulled back, and anchored down. So it's important that you don't pull down on that tissue that we worked so hard to lift up and pull back, because you could potentially undo the effects of the endoscopic brow lift. So do your best to not pull down on your forehead or your scalp during that early healing phase. Following an endoscopic brow lift, you can shower after 24 hours. You can even wash your hair after 24 hours. I prefer that you keep your hair clean after 24 hours. Keep the incisions moist with Aquaphor or bacitracin. You can go swimming and go underwater after 3 weeks. You can exercise after 1 week, assuming that everything looks okay and you are healing up as expected. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.